These compact KICKER CS Series 3.5-inch speakers offer a clear upgrade over stock Chrysler 200 rear door drivers with a noticeably cleaner and more detailed sound. The two-way coaxial design balances crisp high frequencies from the tweeter with surprisingly solid mid-bass, giving music more presence and depth without needing extra amplification. Power handling is well matched to factory and modest aftermarket systems, so they play confidently at higher volume without obvious distortion or harshness. The included vehicle-specific harnesses make installation in Chrysler 200 models with the Alpine amplifier straightforward, avoiding any wire cutting or guesswork. A shallow mounting depth and low-profile tweeter help these speakers drop into tight factory locations where bulkier aftermarket options can be a struggle. Durable materials, such as a treated surround and robust motor structure, are designed to handle daily use and cabin heat while keeping performance consistent over time.